On Children by Kahlil Gibran. Welcome to this session. This poem is about changing how we see parenting. The poet wants us to understand that children are individual born through us but not for us. They are a part of much bigger plan life creates. We are just passage and not the creator. This is really a beautiful poem, and in this session we'll be covering the first para. There are four paras in this poem and each session will be very short. We'll cover one para each session. So let's get started. So I'll start by reciting the poem. Your children are not your children. They are sons and daughters of life longing for itself. They come through you, not from you. And though they are with you, yet they belong not to you. You may give them your love, but not your thoughts, for they have their own thoughts. Your children are not your children. This opening line, it addresses a very challenging common belief that our children belongs to us. See, the poet is not saying that the children do not biologically belong to us, but that they are not our possessions. We didn't create their soul or identity. They are individuals who have their own right. So पोएट ये कहना चाहते हैं कि पोएट ये नहीं कह रहे कि बायोलॉजिकली हम उन बच्चों के पेरेंट्स नहीं है. पोएट ये कहना चाहते हैं कि वो एक इंडिविजुअल से सोल है, उनको हमने क्रिएट नहीं किया है और उनका जिंदगी जीने का अपना हक होता है. See, we often say my son, my daughter. So poet is telling the children are not ours in the possessive sense. We don't owe them. We are just a part of their journey. तो poet कहना चाह रहे हैं कि हम अक्सर कहते हैं कि मेरा बेटा, मेरा बेटी and all right. तो हम बहुत possessive हो जाते हैं उस बात को लेके. But हमें ये समझना जरूरी है कि उनका जिंदगी जीने का अपना तरीका है, उनका हक है जिंदगी को अपने तरीके से जीना. हम बस उनके जर्नी का एक हिस्सा है, हम उन्हें ओ नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है. They are the sons and daughters of life longing for itself. So बहुत ही amazing line है. So this is a poetic way of saying that life itself has a desire to continue, and it expresses a desire through the help of the children. And life tells life and not parents is the reason why children are born. तो लाइफ कहना चाहती है कि लाइफ एटर्नल रहना चाहती है. जैसे हम देखते हैं कि माउंटेन्स है, फॉरेस्ट है, प्लेन्स है, वो हमेशा के लिए एटर्नल है. लाइफ चाहती है कि वो एटर्नल रहे एंड चिल्ड्रन के हेल्प से वो अपनी ये विश पूरी करने चाहती है. तो लाइफ कह रहा है कि पेरेंट्स नहीं, लाइफ, मैं एक वजह हूं जिसकी वजह से चिल्ड्रन आर बॉर्न. ओके, बिकॉज it's like life has the desire to continue and children are the answer for that longing. life चाहती है continue करना and children उसका जवाब है. तो life कहना चाहती है parents बस एक medium है, पर क्योंकि मेरी इच्छा है कि life eternal रहे, children are born. They come through you but not from you. See, the meaning of this line is parents are only the medium through which the children has come to this world. Children come into this world, but children are not entirely shaped or created from their parents. They have their own soul, purpose, destiny towards their life. See, here it's written that they come through you. Yes, they come through your body, but not from you, which means that their soul, purpose, desire, destiny, what they want to be, their dream, their personality is a deeper purpose from the universe. Okay, so it is all created by them. It's very deeper and you cannot design that. And though they are with you, yet they belong not to you. See, it's true that children live with us, they live in our home, they reflect upon us in many ways, they depend upon us. But it doesn't mean that they are belongings. It doesn't mean that we can control them, shape them as we want. Children live with us, they depend on us. We are just their caretakers and not their owner. हम बस बच्चों के ना caretaker है, हम उनके owner नहीं है. हम उनको control या shape नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि children किसी और को नहीं बिलोंग करते सिवाय खुद के. Children belong to none other than themselves. They have their own thoughts. तो चिल्ड्रन ना अपने मर्जी के मालिक है, बच्चे ना अपने मर्जी के मालिक है. They have free will to do as they please. So in this session, the poet educates parents and tells how children is separate from their parents. बच्चे parents से कैसे अलग होते हैं? So in next few lines, the speaker wants to educate parents about how to treat their children. So that's it for this session. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you. Have a good day.